In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Japanese Gmail account in just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the Japanese language, perhaps to learn it, or just to navigate through Gmail with a bit of a linguistic twist. So let's dive straight into it, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, navigate to your Gmail inbox. It's the place where all your emails reside, waiting to be opened, read, or maybe even ignored. We've all been there. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. If not, simply log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which is your settings. Click on that. This little gear is essentially the gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. And today it's going to help us make our inbox a bit more Japanese. After clicking on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you're looking for an option that says See All Settings. Click on it to proceed. This option will take you to a comprehensive settings menu where you can tweak virtually everything related to your Gmail account. Now this is where the magic happens. In the general tab of the settings menu, you will find a section labelled Language. Click on the current language displayed to bring up a list of available languages. From this list you're going to select Japanese. This action doesn't just change the language, it immerses you in it, making your Gmail interface fully Japanese. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the language, especially if you're learning it. Once you've selected Japanese, the next step is crucial. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for a button that says Save Changes. Clicking this button will apply the changes you've just made. It's like confirming that yes, you're ready to leap into a Japanese Gmail experience, and voila, that's pretty much it. You've successfully changed your Gmail account to Japanese. Your inbox, settings and everything else will now be displayed in Japanese. This can be an excellent learning tool or just a way to make your email experience a little more international. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever want to revert back to English or any other language, you just have to follow the same steps. The layout and options remain the same regardless of language, so you can easily find your way back. Additionally, navigating Gmail in a different language can be a fun and immersive way to learn new vocabulary, especially if you're paired up with language learning tools or classes. Transforming your Gmail into a Japanese inbox is more than just about changing language. It's about taking a small step into a new cultural dimension. Whether you're doing it to learn Japanese, connect with Japanese culture, or just for the fun of it, it's an easy and reversible process that can add a little bit of excitement to your daily email routine. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about setting up a Japanese Gmail account in about 5 minutes. Easy, right? Remember, the world is full of languages waiting to be explored, and sometimes it's the little changes like this that can enrich your journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your linguistic adventures. Happy emailing!